Eddie Lee has just had a colonoscopy to find out what has been causing 2 years of abdominal pains, nausea, diarrhea, and rectal bleeding. Eddie examines the test imaging with his doctor.
He showed me the picture, and he said we took a sample for a biopsy. We'll get the results back in a few days, but I'm not quite certain